Yo, YouTube, what's up? How you guys doing? Hope everybody's safe, healthy, doing well. I'm back at it with another video, you know what I'm saying, man? Just got done cleaning my baby down. Looking nice and clean. Looking real clean. And I think the day has come, man. The day has come. Since like last probably October, November. That's almost what? Like 6 months, almost 7 months. I had this graphic kit and I just never got a chance to put it on. You guys remember Brap when he first did his first I think it was his YZ450, the one that he just auctioned off. When he first did that probably a year ago, that's when he first was messing with Wriz Design. I remember he was doing like a 20% deal or a 20% discount, and that's when I had ordered it. And I'm not gonna lie, these graphics is hard. Like, this guy Wriz Design is really nice with it. So without further ado, let's pull it out the package and see what it looks like. So let's get it. All right, guys, so we're gonna pull this out the package right now and get a first look. I looked at it a few times, I'm not gonna lie, but I haven't, like, as you see, I haven't like unwrapped it and really looked at everything. The only thing I really seen is the front plate. As you can already see, it's tough. SHAMAAH860, got the iron SHAMAAH right there. Wriz Designs, like I said. Oh man, let's get it, man. Let's open this thing up. Let's see. All right, so we got the number plate right there. Like I said, it's hard. It's hard. It's hard. I think this goes on the front fender. Goes on the front fender. Like I said, Wriz Designs that I got, MOB. MOB stands for many of blessings. It doesn't stand for, you already know what I'm thinking. Made in NB, you know what I'm saying? Got the left side. Then we got the fork guards. Yamaha on the fork guards, you know what I'm saying? Next side. We got the back plate right here. Existed 2001, made in NB, MOB, Yamaha, Wriz Design. This is hard, man. This is tough. So yeah, man. As I can see, that's saw the graphics right there. Got the bike cleaned down, so I think it's time. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit y'all with some B-roll and get these graphics on. So let's get it.
So lazy. I'm a golden child, I never showed them a brick, niggas think that's the only way. Yeah, it took a while, now I'm back on my feet in the ring and I feel like a heavyweight. Time change, got me feeling different, tryna be the best version I ever been. Said this like that we live as a game, I took me some losses, eventually gonna win. See what's wrong with me, and it hurt me to my heart, they try to portray the man. But I'm holding him down, told him now I got your back all the way to his seat. You know what, I gotta pretend, never fall, never blame. My rolling and sparking is part of the mess. Silence hit diamonds, didn't hear what you said. I gotta keep it on track, chasing my goals while I'm chasing these racks. Can't lie to my family, I keep it a stat. They seeing the progress, they tipping their hat. And I still use the hate as my motivation. On the road, gotta change locations. And time is ticking, so I'm waiting patient. Just waiting on the day that God made for me. But it's crazy to see how the time flies. Put your hands up and doing no job by. The sky is the limit, so I'm tryna fly. But who wouldn't, where do not ask why? It's my dog in the grave and get to say bye-bye. Couldn't believe it's in nine. Still for your spirit and don't you deceased. I just know that you resting in peace. On my grind to run it out, just like we talked about. You were like a brother to me, always kept me in the house. Days like this will be the hardest. You always told me I'm the one, the one.
Got my driver's license last week, just like we always talked about. 'Cause you were so excited for me to finally
Yeah, until the berry's done. Alright guys, you can see that's what I got on so far. Looks really good, can't lie. Took me a little minute, but it's my first time putting on a graphic kit, so I'm gonna get the hang of it, but let's get it. Alright guys, that's how it looks so far. So what I've come to realize is I don't think my graphics were made for this specific bike. What I mean is, like, I think when Wriz did it, he didn't put it to the right graphic kit. So like, if you look right here, it don't look too bad, but like this is off. Like this is it doesn't line up the right way. I had to like cut this a certain way just to get this to line up like that. Even right here when I was doing this, it wasn't lining up all the way, but it's fine. We made accommodations, we adapt. So it's the left side, or this is the right side. And then I didn't do the left side yet, but we're gonna get there. I'm about to head to the gym though, so when I come back, I'll finish it up. So let's get it. All right guys, it's currently the next day. By the time I got back home from the gym yesterday, it was already late, so I'm gonna go ahead and start on the other side. At least we got one half of the bike done. So now, just gotta do this left side, and we should be all set. So let's get straight to it. All right, guys, here she is, man. This shit looks mad good, man. Looks too good. You know what I'm saying? Get the Wriz design, MOB on the swing arm. SHAMAAH860 on the side plate. EST 2001. The gas tank. Too hard. Front number plate. You know what I'm saying? Just like that. This is tough. Tough. Yes, sir. I still have to do the fork shields. But I'm gonna do that another day because I'd rather just you know, unscrew them from there, take them off, and just put them on easier. But I have these left right here, and I honestly don't know where they go. Like, there's no other spot on the bike for them that I could see at least. So I'm gonna just keep them for now. I'll eventually find something or somewhere to put them. But what I'm saying, man, that's how she's looking.
200,000 when I slide on my skirt out the coupe. I don't even like these niggas, that's why I ain't talking to you. Just poured it on the border, I got to find the juice. I've been lying to you, girl, I'm flying to you, yeah.
I take a sip of the 42 and I don't even drink. These days I just been praying for some better